Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the JBL Tune 770NC versus the Sony Wh-720n noise cancelling wireless headphones. So both of them are noise cancelling headphones. They're in about the same price range. However, Sony right now is on sale, which only costs $89, and both of them are rated 4.4 out of 5 stars. So what's their difference? So starting with the Sony. So the pros of the Sony is that it has lightweight designs, so it weighs less than the JBL and enhancing comfort during prolonged listening sessions. It has a multi-point connectivity, can connect to two devices simultaneously, offering seamless switching. It also has LDAC support, supports LDAC for high-resolution audio streaming, and it's more affordable, generally more budget-friendly, providing good value for its features. Now the cons of it is that it has a shorter battery life, offers up to 35 hours of playback time, less than the JBL one. It also has smaller drivers. The 30mm driver may result in less impactful bass compared to the larger drivers. And lastly, it also has less effective noise cancellation. The active noise cancellation is present, but not as effective as some higher-end models. Now let's go to the JBL one. The JBL one is has superior sound quality than the Sony. It is equipped with a larger 40mm driver, delivering deeper bass and a more balanced sound profile. It has extended battery life compared to the Sony, offers up to 70 hours of playback time, ensuring a long-lasting use. Now take note, the Sony one only offers up to 35, and this one offers up to 70, so it basically doubles the battery life of the Sony one. It also has enhanced noise cancellation. It provides effective active noise cancellation that is ideal for blocking out ambient noise. It also has a more durable build. It's constructed with robust materials, offering better durability. And its portable design features a foldable design for easy storage and portability. Now the cons of it is that since it's more durable, it's more heavier and slightly heavier than some competitors, which may affect comfort during extended use. And it also has limited codec support, which lacks codec support for high-resolution audio codecs like LDAC. Now, which one should you choose? So, all in all, this JBL one is better than the Sony, and it's also more expensive right now. However, if the Sony is not on sale, the Sony one is still more expensive. So, all in all, you should choose a JBL if you prioritize superior sound quality, longer battery life, and better noise cancellation. If you're a immersive listener, so you should choose a JBL. But you should choose the Sony if you value a lightweight design, multi-point connectivity, and LDAC support, all at a more affordable price point right now. And that is it. That is the difference between JBL and Sony. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.